The DXZ A4 DTF printer with roll feeder XP600 is engineered for those who want faster, sharper, and more efficient printing for custom apparel and fabric items. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below at the latest price. This printer is designed to deliver professional-grade performance and convenience for both beginners and experienced users in the DTF printing world. Its standout XP600 printhead delivers double the printing speed compared to the L1800 and L805 models, making it ideal for high-demand print jobs. With a resolution of 2800 x 1400 dpi, expect detailed, colorful, and vibrant output every time, whether you're working on t-shirts, hats, jackets, or custom tote bags. One of the most innovative aspects of the DXZ A4 DTF printer is its smart integration of key features that streamline the workflow. The built-in white ink stirring system prevents pigment settling, ensuring smooth and even color application. Combined with the semi-automatic cleaning system, it dramatically reduces clogging and keeps maintenance minimal. The upgraded roller feeder improves media handling, minimizing jams and feeding errors. This means fewer interruptions and more time focused on creating. Plus, with support for both rolls and sheets up to 8.27 inches wide, the DXZ printer gives you the flexibility to handle small to medium-size orders with ease. What truly sets this printer apart is the complete all-in-one package. It comes bundled with everything you need to get started right out of the box: the A4 DTF oven, V11 software, a 100-meter roll of DTF film, 5 250 milliliters bottles of ink, cleaning accessories, powder, and a flash drive with installation instructions. Even better, DXZ includes a remarkable 2-year ink supply, refreshed every 2 months at no additional cost except shipping. The printer is backed by a 1-year warranty on non-consumables and 3 months on the printhead, along with responsive 24-hour tech support. Whether you're launching a new custom garment business or upgrading from an older model, the DXZ A4 DTF printer is a powerful, well-rounded solution that puts professional results within reach.